Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands game crashing or not launching or stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check system requirements. So if you are playing the game on Steam, then go to Steam, search for the game over here and then go below. And here you can find the system requirements to play the game. And if you are playing the game on Epic's, then go below, search for the game over here, then go below, and here you can find the game requirements to play on your system. So after this, try to launch the game and check if this solution helps to you. If not, next solution is to modify launch option. For that, if you are playing the game on Steam, go to library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general, and here you need to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it works. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. For the Epic Games user, just go to your library section, then select your game, or click on three dot icon, then click on manage, and then go below enable launch option, and here you need to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it works, or else type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam users, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files on Steam. After that, try to launch the game and check if it resolves. And Epic Games users, go to Epic Games, under library, select your game, click on three dot icon, then click on manage, and then here you need to click on verify option. So after verifying the game files, now launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to run game as administrator. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select the game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After that, launch the game and see if it fixes, or else click on compatibility mode, select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it resolves, or else click on disable full screen optimizations, then click on apply and OK, and then check if the problem is resolved or not. For Steam, for Epic Games users, you just need to locate the exe file within the folder. After that, open properties. Now right click on the exe file and select properties. After that, go to compatibility tab, check for the box, run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. Next, allow the game through Firewall. For that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature. After that, click on change settings, and here you need to look for the game if it's listed over here. If not, then click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game, click it to the list, click it and it will be added to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. Next solution is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your drivers to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. NVIDIA and AMD users, just go through the link that I provided in the description, and after that, launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to Windows search for check for updates option. After that, check here if any update is available, or simply click on check for updates option, and if there is any update, simply update your Windows, and after that, check if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you need to press Windows plus R, and here you need to type msconfig. After that, go to the services, then click on hide all Microsoft services and click on disable. After that, go to the startups, click on open task manager. Now here select the app one by one, and after that click on disable over here. After disabling, come back and again click on apply and OK, and after that check if this helps to fix the issue. Next solution is to check graphic settings. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolutions, etc., then it directly impacts the game. So this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as well. So make sure your graphic settings are properly set up, or even load the graphic settings, and after that launch the game to see if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. After that, under Processes tab, search for those apps which is of no use or consuming high resources, and after that select it. Now right click on it and click on End Task. So this will close the app completely from the system. After that, try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have provided this link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. After this, go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install it, and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on its system, then you are suggested to disable it, as this can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable the antivirus program and then check if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics cards. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphic settings. After that, go below and search for the game if it is listed. If not, click on add desktop app and then go to the game folder where it has been installed. Select it, add it to the list. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, the Steam users, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall once again. Or else you can go to the Windows search for control panel. Now click on uninstall a program, and after that, from here you need to select the game, and simply after selecting, right click on it, click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your system. After removing, now restart your system once. After restarting, launch Steam or Epic Games, and after that reinstall the game in whichever app you are playing, and after that try to launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue, and now you can play it. So all these are some solutions that are suggested to fix the crashing, not launching, or other issues on Tom Clancy's Recon Wildlands game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.